Introducing the new add-on of SnapMaker 2.0, the Rotary Module, a changeable chuck that supports inward and outward clamping and a dedicated tailstock that ensures stability, bringing to life a versatile add-on to meet a broad range of needs. At the core of the Rotary Module is strain wave gearing. By virtue of its special gear set, the speed reducer, while occupying only a limited space of 30 cubic centimeters, boasts a constant high reduction ratio of 100:1, as well as an incredible angle precision of 0.1 degrees. This enables a smooth, exquisite, and seamless machining on irregular surfaces. By offering an intelligent, visualized G-code generating workflow, the new version of SnapMaker Luban makes it easier than ever before to set up 4-axis machining. On the touchscreen, an Origin Assistant is also added specially for the Rotary Module, letting you position the CNC bit or to focus the laser safely and quickly. From imagination to reality, everything can be so novel, yet so simple. SnapMaker 2.0 is capable to run a more advanced CNC and laser process, taking a big leap from 2.5D to real 3D machining. Additionally, with its high precision and stability, the Rotary Module makes it possible to 3D print more accurately on a curved face. Combining 3 of the machine functions, you will see unlimited ideas for creation.